Hey everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to log into your Ionos email account step by step so you can access your inbox without any confusion. Let's jump right in. In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log into your Ionos email account. Beginning this process might feel a bit intimidating, especially if you're not overly familiar with navigating web services, or if you've recently transitioned your email services to Ionos. However, rest assured, by the end of this guide, you'll be accessing your Ionos email with ease. The first step in this journey is to navigate to the Ionos homepage. It's quite straightforward. Open your preferred web browser and enter the Ionos URL, or simply type Ionos into your search engine. The correct website should be among the top search results. Once you've arrived at the Ionos homepage, your next task is to locate the Sign In button. This button is usually prominently displayed, but the exact location can vary depending on the design changes the website might undergo. Don't worry, it won't play hide and seek with you for long. After clicking Sign In, you'll be presented with several options. Here, you want to focus on selecting Customer Account. It might be tempting to click around if you're unsure, but selecting Customer Account will direct you where you need to go to access your email. Now you'll encounter another sign-in option. This might seem a bit redundant, but think of it as double confirmation that you're on the right path. Click on Sign In to proceed to the next crucial step. This brings us to the part where you'll need to input your webmail address. This step is vital, as your webmail address is your unique identifier and key to accessing your personal email space. Type it carefully to avoid any typos that could derail your login process. Next up, clicking Next might seem like a small step, but it's your consent to move forward, telling the system, yes, I've entered my webmail address, let's proceed. Now it's time for one of the most critical parts of the login process, entering your password. This step is all about security, ensuring that only you, the rightful owner of the webmail address, gain access. Type in your password with the care it deserves, mindful of any potential caps locks or typos. With your password entered, you'll once again click on Next. It's another straightforward step, but serves as your final check before gaining access to your email. At this juncture, it's important to mention a small but crucial detail. Occasionally, after entering your passwords, you might be redirected to the webmail login page. If this happens, don't be alarmed. Simply use your webmail login as you've done to get inside your email. This is a common scenario, and merely a security measure to ensure safe access to your account. Navigating the Ionos email login process is largely about following these structured steps, but it's also about paying attention to detail, ensuring the correct input of your webmail address and password, recognizing the navigation flow from the homepage to the email login, and understanding potential redirections all contribute to a smooth experience. Remember, the key to a successful login lies in attention to detail and patience. Typos in your webmail address or password are common pitfalls, so take an extra moment to review your information before proceeding. By now, you should feel more comfortable and confident in logging into your Ionos email account. It's all about taking it one step at a time, and before you know it, you'll be checking your inbox, sending emails, and managing your correspondence like a pro. I hope this guide has helped demystify the process for you. Happy emailing, and remember, navigation becomes second nature with a bit of practice. Thanks for watching, and be sure to explore our other guides for more helpful tips and tutorials.